Last night I couldn't sleep. Lay awake for hours, wrestling with the problems that face us today and all our tomorrows. And in the early hours of the morning, as the dawn rose above Westminster, I reached a decision. And the decision I made was to ban the motor car. No more noise, no more pollution, no more traffic wardens, no more waste of resources or finances.
Stop him, someone! For God's sake, stop him!
The swish of the bicycle tire and the distant sound of the toot-toot-tooting of the steam-driven public transport.
You crazy green bastard! Look, I've been driving since I've been 18. It's going to take more than some green faggot to stop me. Look, I've got a full tank in this baby. It goes over 140. And I've never gone that fast before, but this time, I'm going to give it some welly. Is anybody with me? Right!
Really? That bad? Well, does Magnus know? Well, in that case, wait for the meeting on Tuesday. No, that's a very good deal, believe me, Mike. Yeah. Look, I've got to go. My car's just crashed. I don't know, some kind of motorway pile-up. All right. I'll call you on Monday. Have a good weekend. Bye.
Tony? Tony?
Next thing I'm going to ban is television.
Oh, no! Gosh, what a bloody maniac!
No more passive and indiscriminate viewing of second-hand tat and trivia. Instead, we're going to make our own entertainment.
You mad!
A world of books, a fireside conversation and the writing of very, very long letters. Which brings me to the telephone. And the racing pigeons.
Oh, je dois rouge.
Very bad.
Voulez-vous? Voulez-vous you? Voulez-vous me?
As the years of post-war austerity waned, the home improvement business began to boom in Swindon. And for the first time in his life, Geoffrey's father decided he could afford a holiday. But it was not to be, because the day before his holiday began, Bernard Foster broke his leg. And it was at St Mark's Hospital in Swindon that Bernard met a certain Nurse Watkins, who was in fact to turn out to be the future Mrs Foster. I'm sure many of you gathered here on this happy day will recall those heady days at 17 Hendon Drive, Bernard and Carol's first home. But it wasn't all roses for the newlyweds, because just as suddenly as it had begun, the fitted kitchen boom was over. So, then in 1964, Bernard and Carol sold number 17 Hendon Drive and moved into the carpet business. What a mistake that was to be. Then things improved for the Fosters, for there was to be a new addition to the family. And so it was that on August the 20th, 1966, Geoffrey Stephen Foster was born at the Stoke Newington General Hospital at 10 minutes past 4. I first met Geoffrey at St Albans Secondary Modern School, and although not the greatest scholar in the world, Geoffrey was always pretty good at sports, especially behind the bike shed. Well, I think that's enough of me. I think it's time we charged our glasses and drank a toast to Geoffrey and Angela, to the happy couple. Thank you.
My daughter is the most precious thing in the world to me. And when she came to me and begged me to let her marry that, because I love her, I agreed. Worst mistake of my life. I tell you now, that if that piece of scum doesn't stop drooling over my daughter this minute, I'll kill him.
Geoffrey is the best catch in the county. And the only reason he got trapped into this marriage is because your daughter led him on and then wouldn't give him one unless he promised to marry her. Anyway, she's his now, and he can do what he likes with her.
This seems like a good opportunity to read out some of the telegrams.
Which side are you on, the right or the green? I just came in to find a toilet. Out there, a third of it. Bring us back a beer, would you?
incredibly sorry about this. I completely forgot to thank the bridesmaids.
Hi, I'm Angela's brother. It's a great day for it, isn't it? They said it was going to rain, but there's hardly a cloud in the sky.
Daddy, where have you been?
I overslept. Look, have they started yet?
Yes. Make sure everyone gets a sausage, won't you?
Would you do something for me? We're in a bit of a fix. You see, our photographer has run off.
Did you look in the car?
Did he? Well, the thing is, he's left all his stuff here. But we've got no one to take the photographs, and I wonder, I really good with the camera.
Voulez-vous Gigi?
Blocking the exit. I think it's one of your guests. Red Volvo? Yes, sir.
Now, that will be my brother-in-law's. That's him down there with the moustache.
Right. Sorry about it, sir. Unlucky, sir. Excuse me, sir. There's a red Volvo blocking the service exit. We can't get the bins out. Would you mind moving it? The Volvo? Yes, sir. Now, yes, please, sir. Hang on a moment.
You really would have to lighten the atmosphere if you could start playing your music now.
No.
Look, they're not firing in your direction. All the shots are going across the room, so you're quite safe. Please, it would help. And we have booked you to play.
No.
Well, look, I'll even pay you an extra £25.
No, see, no.
Well, in that case. Now, I do a lot of gardening, which means I've got very strong hands. So, unless you want to be singing castrato for the rest of your life, I suggest you take your group in there and play the first tune.
Back. All right. Back. Come on, put it in the gear. Try reverse. Come on. Move it.